Hi guys, welcome to my new acrylic pouring tutorial. Today I want to create a beautiful summer split base Dutch pour on 3 small canvases. And if you haven't seen the split base Dutch pour trio I've done before, please check the link above. And now back to the painting. I want to use very vibrant colors today for the base, and first color I use is permanent green deep. Next color for the base I use gold yellow. I will cover all canvases with the same colors but in different proportions because I want them to look like extensions of each other. And the third color for the base is primary magenta. First color for the floor is deep gold. And the next color will be different on each canvas, the one that is not in the base, gold yellow, permanent green deep, primary magenta, and this is phthalo green, carmine, venetian rose, yellowish green, gold yellow, nickel titanium yellow, deep gold, yellowish green, phthalo green, carmine, venetian rose, gold yellow, and deep gold again. Adding base color next to the flow to help colors moving better. And I torch the flows. Let's blow it out. This is truly the summer color palette. I like it so much already. Now I need to work with details. My summer trio is ready. Let's see the dry result. Here it is, dry and covered with gloss varnish. This trio looks so cheerful. It is just filled with summer joy and serenity. I really love the result. And what do you think? Please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. Thank you very much for joining me today. See you next time. Bye bye.